Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy a stock on Webull. First, download the Webull app from your App Store and begin the account registration. You'll need to provide some personal details and verify your identity, which is a standard security measure. This process usually takes just a few minutes to complete. After submitting your information, Webull will review your application, and approval typically occurs within 1 to 2 business days. Once approved, you're ready for the next step. Now that your account is approved, it's time to add some funds. Open the Webull app and find the Transfers section. From there, select Deposit and choose your preferred method, such as an ACH transfer from your bank. You'll link your bank account and then enter the amount you wish to deposit. Remember, while you might see instant buying power for up to $1,000, the full deposit can take up to 5 business days to completely settle. With funds in your account, you can now search for a stock to buy. Use the search bar at the top of the Webull app and type in the company's ticker symbol, like Opple for Apple or its full name. Once you find the stock, tap on it to view its detailed page. Here, you can see its current price, historical charts, and relevant news. Take a moment to review this information to ensure it aligns with your investment goals. Finally, it's time to place your buy order. On the stock's detail page, tap the Trade button. You'll then select Buy and choose your order type. A market order buys at the current best available price, while a limit order lets you set a specific maximum price. Enter the number of shares you want to purchase, for example, 10 shares. Carefully review all the order details and then confirm your order to complete the transaction. Congratulations, you've just bought a stock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.